Hello everyone, in this video, we will learn about what are blue chip stock. A blue chip is a nationally or internationally recognized, well-established, and financially sound company that is publicly traded. Blue chips generally sell high-quality, widely accepted products and services. Blue chip companies have reputable brands that have been built and maintained over many years. That and the fact that they have weathered multiple downturns in the economy make them stable companies to have in a portfolio. Blue chip companies operate profitably despite adverse economic conditions, which helps to contribute to their long records of stable and reliable growth. The term blue chip was first used in 1923 by Oliver Gingold, an employee of Dow Jones, to describe high stock price. It relates to poker chips of blue, white, and red, with the blue chips having the greatest value. Today, blue chip stocks aren't necessarily stocks with a high price tag. More accurately, they are shares of high-quality companies in healthy financial condition that have withstood the tests of time. Examples of blue chip stocks. Indian blue chip stocks may include companies like Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Infosys Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, and other well-established corporations. Few characteristics of blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are seen as less volatile. Blue chips are highly liquid since they are frequently traded in the market by individual and institutional investors alike. Blue chip companies are also characterized as having little to no debt, large market capitalization, stable debt-to-equity ratio, and high return on equity and return on assets. Solid balance sheet fundamentals and high liquidity have earned blue chip stocks the investment-grade credit rating. While dividend payments are not necessary for a stock to be considered a blue chip, most blue chips have long records of paying stable or rising dividends. Blue chips as safe investments. Blue chip stocks are considered safe investments due to their financial stability, market leadership, and long-term track record of success. These reputable companies have established themselves as industry leaders, offering lower volatility and higher reliability compared to smaller or riskier investments. Their strong balance sheets, consistent earnings, and dividend payments attract risk-averse investors seeking steady returns. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages of blue chip stocks. Advantages. Low risk. As industry leaders with reliable cash flows and long histories of paying their debts, blue chip companies are considered to be low risk. They are unlikely to suffer from a sudden credit or liquidity crunch. Reliable return. Blue chip companies typically provide reliable growth potential as well as consistent dividend payments. Low volatility. Due to their well-tested business models, established operations, dependable revenue, and long-lived brands, blue chips are seen as stable companies as stocks. Less effort. The dependability and lower volatility that they offer can mean less need for concern and monitoring. Disadvantages. Lower returns. While returns can be reliable, well-established, mature companies such as blue chip offer more modest returns than, for instance, smaller startups that have room for greater and more rapid growth. More expensive. Because of their lower risk, reliable return potential, and lower volatility, blue chips tend to be in greater demand and, thus, more expensive than stocks of other companies of comparable size. Where do blue chip stocks get their name? The term blue chip for stocks originated from the game of poker, where blue chips are typically the most valuable and stable ones on the table. In the business world, blue chip stocks are likened to these valuable poker chips due to their reputation for financial stability and reliability. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content like this. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, take care and keep exploring.